In this video, I will tell you that how to update TikTok app on your Android phone. So the easiest way, if basically you are saying that you are not getting the new features from TikTok, then you must have to update your app. So you will tap on the Play Store here if you are on Android, and if you are on iPhone, you can use like App Store, and then you will search here for TikTok. Okay, so let's search here for TikTok, and here you can see that I have this open option here because I have the latest version of this. And if you don't see, you must see the update option here, so you have to update your TikTok app. And here you can see that we have this beta option. So what is the beta option? Which means that this is the pre-released version of the final version, which includes like testing some bugs. And how you can actually join this, you will open up the Google here, and you will search for join TikTok beta tester, and tap on this one, and now tap on this one, which is the become a tester. And then I think that you must have to like include your Gmail account here, and if they have the space, yeah, they can actually make you a tester, and then you will always get the pre-released version of the final version to like test some bugs. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.